Before proceeding, ako lang ning i-clarify ha. Ang nahitabo sa Toledo. Niingon ko nga, sige, ipadayo na to, we will allow them to perform. Kay saba na kayong audience, this is for the audience, pero nasayod man ta, katong 60-second nga entrada para na stanan. Kung malate ka, na-agyunay deduction. Moto akong giingon. Kung nahitabo to sa poro or liloan or tabugon, mao gihapoy mahitabo. Na-agyoy deduction gihapon. Diba? However, ningon I decided as amo ning naagrihan nga sa mga judges, kung may tabo man I have to ask them to deliberate. Ilang decision maoy final. Mangutana raon ta ko adto pila may atong i-deduct. But we went back to the tapes, to the video tape. We went back to the video. Do you have it ready? Can we please show it? Aron, klaro ba? Klaro tanan, aron way daghang istorya. Nagtrending na rabasad ko. Kay si Mami Gwen ko no, nagyaw-yaw na sad. Unsa man de inyong gusto, saba man mo kaayo. Patubagon man ko ninyo, angay man de, ang man de mo kihat-kihat lang ko. It would seem as though, mo na nakadrama sa atong pasigarbo. Okay. What was seen was 1 minute exit, kibaw man tanan. The previous festival did not exit in time. Wa makapwesto ang Toledo sa ilang props in the 1 minute nga ingress nila. But I still left it to the judges. They saw this tape. Please look at it. You can ask for a copy. Paggawas sa, you know very well, katong 1 minute for egress, dili pa pwede musud ang Toledo. Kay para to sa previous. Diha na sila pwede musud, inigsugod sa mayor's message. Pagsud nila, doon na pa'y mga props nga nabilin sa previous. Ang nag-una. Mauto ang naka-hamper nila nga makasugod on time. But I asked the judges, and I think, may I ask, Boy, to please, you're the best person to explain what the decision of the judges was. Is Boy still around? Naapa? Naapa? Wala na. Mr. Boy Abunda, is he still here? Wala na? Then we will ask either Eric or Dennis or Awel to explain. Dennis?
When the judges saw the video, we noticed that the previous group had not completely exited all their props for the Toledo group to be able to set up their props on the other side of the stage. And given that, the judges decided to continue with the scores as they had been computed by the judges. with no deductions.
Napa si Boy? Wala na? Okay. So, please understand, the results that will be read tonight for the ritual showdown will refer to the actual scores without deductions or as they saw fit ang judges. Kaya nga ako unta atong intention, kung doon na may deduction, sila gihapon ang magbuot. But the decision was as they scored it. So, dunay, ang scoring, as far as Toledo was concerned, kung unsa may iyang nakuha nga score, wala toy. Wa toy penalty for the late entry. Dunatay mga ties for Festival Queen, for the Karo. Again, as agreed, kung mag-tie for the top place, we ask the judges to decide who is the more deserving. For Festival Queen, sila'y nagpili, o ang katay becomes the first runner-up. Ila na nga desisyon, and the judges' decision is final. Okay? So, we shall ask. We will start first with street dancing, the festival jingle. We will ask Paul to announce the costume, festival costume, the festival queen costume, the festival queen winner, the Karo, the float, before we announce the ritual showdown. By that time, buntag na ta. So, pag anda mo, pamahaw. First,